Hello viewers, welcome back to another video here in Galactic view. So last time we were making a brief tutorial of this, maybe should say a Vroid art alternative. Not sure if it actually qualifies for it, but let's keep it going with that. I say alternative because in a lot of aspects, as shown on the previous video, it's very similar to it. Sure, this video project and the software has a few other extra things more than Vroid, but still it should be considered whenever you like it or not. There's always something over there on the other side of the rainbow, you can actually say it like that, or on the other side of the planet. When there's creativity, it never fails. Okay, so here, there's something that makes a lot of difference between Vroid and Vkatsu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. And making it dance. I'll show it to you. So let me just make it a little bit noticeable. So last time we were making a very brief character. Yeah, I didn't put a lot of emphasis on it, so go figure. However, if you've seen or have been aware of this software, then you should know a few ins and outs by now. Just make it quick. So here's one. It's just the width of the fuselage. What they're basically saying is over here in the rib cage. I don't know why would they actually say it like that. I never knew the reason. I still haven't found out. If anyone actually knows, just tell me, because some of this translation is a little off. So the width below the torso, it actually refers, I'm not sure if it counts as the belly area or not. It's actually the width of it. This is another one. Here's, oh, okay. Here's the one that's kind of odd. It says the width of the waist, but it actually is the hip side over here. See? Increases and decreases slightly. And it's kind of unusual instead of actually, straight out saying, it's the hip. It doesn't matter if it's a female or male, it's still, it's translated like that. It's for both genders. I don't know what's the translation for it, if it's Google or something else, but yeah, they're gonna need to fix or make a few other adjustments. Let's see. I'm missing something. Oh, okay. This is a curious one. Just here, it says width of lower back. In reality, it's actually more slightly below the hip area and just making it wide. I'm not sure if that falls under the hip or the joint that connects the leg with the hip. I'm not sure at the moment what's the bone called, but it's actually in that area specific. And without the lower back, you're kind of gonna make confusion of this. And then there's this. It's literally that this is something that not even a Vroid actually has it defined. Sorry, Vroid, but I've seen a few people ask for it, and so far you haven't actually done it. And that kind of bummed out. Because, both genders might need to do that, so what's the fun? Oh, here's this one. Back in the lower back neck. What was it? The thickness of hair. Yeah, that was basically it. So the inside of the thigh, actually the back of it. That's another thing that on Vroid, it doesn't stand out that much. For now, at least we over here don't know why. We would like to know, but only time will tell. So Vroid, if you do eventually see this video, you know that issue's been there for a while, a lot of time, and for some reason you haven't actually done anything. I don't know why, but I think a few people would like to know, but I know that I have someone that actually asked that specifically, like, why haven't they done that? We might never know for now, but that's actually one of the things that actually makes sense to here, and it actually does stand out. So the other one, ironically for this, they actually have it pretty down to it. It's actually impressive. Let's see. I think I'm missing something. Managing with actually have it down. Let's see. The eyes is not that much of an issue. We just have to make a few short edits and it just fine by it. Mm-hmm. The other thing, oh yeah, is the accessory. This one's actually a whole lot better. Let me just finish here. Hmm. Now on Vroid, they don't actually show you how to make accessories, so you kinda are on your own on that one. It's a little bit unusual, but still, just want to show you. See the diamond here? Go to here, and you have this small list. The accessories just straight up come over here. Sure, it's not a lot, but it's enough to mention a few things. There's something else that it doesn't actually show, but it's not that significant to mention. Like, you can actually say the name, the description. I mean, the blood type at all. And the pulses, but if you export it, it's not gonna be that much of a difference. So that was basically the Miku Dance 18 version, the so-called adult version of it. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but there's another one, but I'm not sure how YouTube is gonna react towards it, so I have to take that with a little grain of salt. But besides that, that should be all for this video. If you like it, hit subscribe, hit like, and you wanna keep on going with more videos, just let me know. And I will see you on the next video soon.